half a bell pepper or green onion of my carrots. I'm adding some parsley and mixing it all together. Let's add some flour, which is this one here, hoisin sauce. In a hot pot, I'm going to add some oil, and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding my grated pumpkin, then my onion, half an onion, then my bell pepper, it's half a bell pepper, then my chive or green onion. Then I'm adding some of my carrots. I took 2 small carrots, grated carrots. I'm adding some parsley. I'm mixing it all together before adding the remainder of the ingredients. Let's add some flour. This is half a cup. I'm going to add another, which will make it 1 cup. There you go. And then I'm going to mix this together. This is the result right here after adding my milk and my flour. I added some extra milk and flour to it because I have so much ingredients. See how rich this is? You could add some whole wheat flour if you prefer, whole wheat instead of white, so you could add it. So now I'm going to add some dry seasoning in there, along with some sauce. In my paste, I'm going to add some salt. As usual, I always say salt to taste. This is some salt I'm adding. My favorite thing in the whole world, I'm adding some lemon pepper. I'm going to add some more because I love it so much. Curry powder. Then I'm going to add some paprika in here. Then I'm going to add some sweet chili sauce, which is this one here. I'm going to add it to it. Then I'm going to put a little bit of Korean bulgogi sauce in here. Not too much because it's very spicy. But this recipe, these ingredients are usually a bit spicy. That's the whole purpose of akra. As I said, this is a childhood recipe. It's like using fish in like a pancake paste. Then I'm going to add some other sweet sauce, hoisin sauce. I'm going to put it in here like this, and then I'm going to continue to mix everything in here, and then we're going to fry it. So delicious. In a hot pot, I'm going to add some oil. Add that. So I'm just taking a spoonful from my paste, and then I'm putting it in the hot oil like so. Growing up as a child, this was a very popular dish. So we prepare it. You could use this noodle fish, or you could use some salt fish or cod fish. And then you flip it when it is golden brown, like this one. So when it is golden brown, you turn it. I could put it a little longer, but it's okay. Look at how delicious and look at how beautiful they look. Very golden brown. Yep. Almost ready. And here we are, our delicious breakfast recipe, golden brown.